Alright, so it is a Tuesday today. It's not Monday, and I didn't upload a Shineponics devlog yesterday because I was on the cusp of something, and I believe that something is happening now. Yes, that's right, I have something cool to show you. Okay, so here we have our two little ESP8266 boards. So this one over here is connected to the Shineponics relay box, which is capable of turning this solenoid on or off. And we can see it's periodically activating itself and then disabling itself. There are no sensors attached to this box, however, just controllers. On this box, in this device, we have sensors in the form of this capacitive soil moisture sensor, and we have temperature and air humidity controls in here. Now, what's quite cool is that my setup is now finally capable of reading data from this device, storing it in the cloud momentarily until both devices speak to the cloud, and when both devices speak to the cloud, it then triggers a calculation on whether anything should change, sends instructions back to this guy on whether to change. So, theoretically, if I put this capacitive soil moisture sensor in the water here, we should see this turn on for short periods of time. So that was a quick little demo, and as you can imagine, I'm feeling pretty proud of myself. It is not perfect. There's still some issues that I need to work out, particularly in making the sensors coordinate with each other so that they talk at the same time to the cloud, because they're going to get plugged in at different times. Each one runs a connect function first, and it says to the cloud, hey, I'm here, I've set up my sensors, I'm ready to go, or my controllers as well. Now, can I connect to you, and can you tell me when I should be communicating with you? And the server goes, oh yeah, okay, so the last communication I've had from a device in your system was this time, and the polling interval is 10 seconds or X amount of seconds. So the device receives that information and then goes, okay, cool, so I will poll 10 seconds after this time. And theoretically, they should stay relatively in sync. Now, in practice, there's a few kinks to work out. And the server code that's handling this is all pretty messy at the moment, but it's not crazy. It could be a lot worse. So I just need to work out the kinks, but the kind of core in terms of these two devices talking to the same cloud at the same time and being able to share information is there, which is pretty freaking sweet. So yeah, I will work out the kinks, and then we will start figuring out how we can house these things so they are protected from the rain and we can power them and actually rig up a little demonstration system with it. So hopefully in the next video you see, you will see me having fixed the communication timing issues and things like that, and you will see me actually putting these devices on the balcony and making them actually take control of some stuff. So yeah, look forward to that. See you next time. Peace. Hello, it is me, and I am sneaking on in with a bonus clip just to say that the last Shineponics vlog I did, I walked through the C++ class that I had made for these little devices and how ChatGPT had helped me create those classes. Well, just want to let you guys know that I had to change a lot of that code. In fact, that's why this devlog is late, is because I spent a long time debugging that code, learned a lot about C++ in the process. The moral of the story is don't trust ChatGPT. And if you want to see the code in its completed working, well, it's probably not complete, but in its working state, check the links in the description of this video. You will find the GitHub repository where all of this stuff is being stored. The server-side code I'm currently not storing publicly on GitHub because I've been working on it live in the server, but that will all be on GitHub soon. So yeah, check those links out for any code. See you next week.